Alright guys, hey, my name is Sergio. I've got a 1999 C2, about 83,000 miles on this car. Did something different with the exhaust. I did a really basic custom exhaust made by the mufflers are made by Spintech, and I used a custom 13-inch in and out just like you would the factory mufflers. Trying to get a shot of it here. So yeah, basic muffler, nothing special about it, but I've used it on some heavy horsepower engines before, and it fit pretty good. I had it custom ordered. It was about $200 for the set of mufflers. Had the guy custom make them for us. Now it looks all pretty stock. You really can't tell the difference of what's underneath it. It fit really well. I'll fire it up for you guys and let me know what y'all think. Here it goes. Give me 1 second here. We'll get it going for you. There you go. First video I've made here, so let me know what you guys think. It's sounds really good under load, and maybe I'll get that guys to you as soon as we can. You know, we'll see. Wait for the posts and see what you guys think about it. Thanks. Bye.